What's up, guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we've got another tool breakdown for you. This is the Dewalt Multi Tool. The model is DCS356. So this is a very simple tool to use. It doesn't really have many functions. So before you start playing with it, just make sure the battery's out. And then this will be a real quick video. This locks your trigger. This is your trigger right here. This locks your trigger. And then this little lever right here, if you push that in, your blade comes right out. And then when you want to put it back in, you just press it back down, insert your blade, and then you want to make sure that the holes inside, you can see all those grooves. You want to make sure that they line up with all those and that it's seated properly. And you'll be able to tell because it sits in there very snug. And then you just give it a pull and you're good to go. So there you guys have it. The Dewalt XR Multi-Tool. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.